Good afternoon. Today is the 14th May 2026, 17 hours 25 minutes. We are observing that since 2004 we are doing kind of this effort until 2014. The cognitive process we basically had the legal system in Brazil and administration considering the problems inside the institutional system. Then we could have quite clear the systemic mobilization of crimes or the systemic crime in Brazil. 2014 was a paper published and we kind of had to dive into the economy and we couldn't have the title in the last semester despite presenting the paper with the value as the grade 9.5 in 10. But it's life, we move forward without the title and offer this economic and financial control theory in 3 volumes. Basically the budget, the rates, and the projection you have considering the institutional behavior. We will have that this problem indeed is something we had to face, kind of the interference in our life until modify the way of living or do things or the creeds we have. Go systematically until the suppression. For instance, if you do not make a paper supporting the criminality, you don't have the title as economist, something like that. But in some areas, like your privacy, especially in your private living, the constitution in Brazil has told as untouchable. It means that it's one of the angle stones as protective guarantees and constitutional system in Brazil. I always claim it to the criminal offenders Brazil and peers that got evolved from departments and later a flag, which is the systemic crime in Brazil, until the entire institutional system, which is the flag itself, or a big block under corrosion and corruption, bring the legal reason to suppress a constitutional protective guarantee told as angle stone in Brazil. They never did. We observe that this kind of thing indeed encouraged the criminal patterns at the institutional system affects not only my life but any person or flags anything. And we could check that in many moments the prohibition or the positive behavior are literally told. In other words, kind of the criminal authorities look like many of them are analphabetics. They also don't have, a good perception about proportion and ponderation of things as simple accounts on mathematics. We observe this also at the budget, the relation debit and credit. And of course that since, they push forward hustling this kind of thing, but without any kind of conformance, they will need the conformance as frauds and fake records. Combining the institutional corruption as public corruption and corporative corruption, the database Sigma as Bayesian approach, and wouldn't be necessary to understand that they will be in an area that do the fake records. And they did, of course, not only to cover the aggressions made against me, this effort and groups of interest in private living issuing in privacy anti-mafia activities since August 2024 and anti-terror since November 2025, which was the report about the NATO requirement as investigation about commercial practice of Brazil and peers in Brazil. It's contextualized. So, we have quite clear that they will be at the fake record. So if you place someone there or have seizure arrested, from that point that he is in a deeper level procedural fraud, they are indeed covering all crimes, criminals, criminal practice, crimes perpetrated, and even the planning activity as an adjustment to the continuity of this criminal scam as a systemic crime until you have the mobilization of several states inside that big block, for instance, as a statehood, which was the object as cognitive process on New York City. We offered the two OSM, number 1 2004 up to 2014, and the second 2014 up to 2016 as self-defense on my private living, even in privacy in my bedroom, the place I did all effort. And even change the area as environmental research, like the beach house or the Rio Garbage City, we could observe that they are following, stalking. It's a crime in Brazil. And when you have a procedure illegally made, set, or to continue this kind of thing based on fake records. And the fake records you presented against this effort, this research, creditor, credit or interest do not got checked or confirmed, you perpetrated defamation and several crimes. But we can complain Brazil, we offered in New York against the statehood, setting a police, which was the white data attache, as policymaker, a new role for this task force. The regulation of big blocks based on OAS position, which was, since you have, first of all, the first interest to claim the responsibility and consequence is the institution that the variable belongs. This is the first guidance of the position as OAS. Second, since you had individualized the variable, you shouldn't hit the person, the people in general. So if you have a flag that is truly corrupted, and it is inside a block with 9 states or 9 different flags, and then we had the interaction as corruption of other flags, not so corrupted like this, but corrupted anyway, we will observe that the big block is now a corrupted big block, but with identified notations that are the flags. Supposed to put those clusters of corruption as information that can be public or corporative under own jurisdiction or under the big block statement and regulation, like the international police that has the Security Forum USA Brazil with a criminal organization inside, and both belongs to the international police, get in touch with critical issues and diverting by money and payment to the criminal groups or seizure, doing the seizure of illicit commodities like drug and do the redistribution for criminal groups like the piracy go in the same way. In other words, the big block, Interpol, must do the regulation because their own jurisdiction domestic is failed. It is involved. And in the last moment we observe that all international police considered all flags threatened by the corruption of one, some of them as solidarity, is threatened and has legitimacy to apply the regulation against this group by the most serious consequence inside the block. The regulation go like this. You have now a rounded table with the 9 flags at this block, for instance. First of all, offering the problem identified and claiming all their own jurisdiction applied against their own problem. If it do not go this way, the block itself will bring the problems and apply the regulation as the block itself, for instance, the Interpol. Or the one flag feeling uncomfortable or under annoyance will offer them as all problematic variables inside and apply by the most serious consequence considering the member countries of the bloc. And this is the idea as White Data Taxa policymaker for regulation of big blocks. Right? Because we are observing absurd things as a human resource here do not respect their own constitution, its own constitution, and yet considering that has legitimacy to apply consequence against the big bloc, which is putting itself above the sovereignty of all flags and the entire bloc, right? This is a joke because the bloc has or having the decision as unilateral decision, I'm out of the bloc. It's not like that. You are in a council of equals as flags. To be out must be deliberated to put you out or to accept your request to be out. I'm asking someone to be in my place since 2022 because, as I told, this is not my work, it's administration, but became a derogatory activity, that she looks like it's for a life. And I'm not satisfied because things kind of are conclusive, and even conclusive you get, harder to conclude it is, right? And it's not talking about not only talking about my economic rights or things like this, but including my title as economist and several other things, including my personal goals that I had to put away because I don't have privacy in my private living. And this affected the task force also and equally, right? And we claimed against the city Rio de Janeiro and Saquarema 30 millions by the defamation, hosting, in solidarity, the transnational organized crime from the public service operated as a criminal system, the paradigm as statehood. We offered all conclusive to the New York court and observing the exclusion, for instance, at the White Data Taxa by crimes or criminal ties or aggression against the task force or members on it, to the U.S. Congress and the Supreme Court of United States, for instance, and several others lists, without nominations, because they do permutation and swap themselves, and then we will nominate one, it will be another, right? So we had the list as indications, as position. For instance, the top chair, without nomination, it's the top chair, because the corruption scheme is top down. And considering that the top chair put itself above their own constitutional system, respecting no order, and yet considering that has legitimacy to do the punishment against, for instance, the International Criminal Court as United Nations, which put itself above all flags. And this variable is unable to do their own tax examination properly. The flag must do something as own jurisdiction, or the big bloc will do. Or, considering all flags at the United Nations, the most serious consequence applied against this argument, this identified notation, and the flag itself can't have a word because it's in a crime named prevarication or malfeasance, right? Idea as regulation of big blocks based on OAS position. May 14, 2026 was in the after hours. Policymaker, White Data Taxa. Have a terrific weekend.